We'll guide you through how to remove background noise from a microphone in Windows. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Background noise in calls or recordings can be really annoying and disruptive, so we'll guide you through some different things you can do to remove and stop it. First of all, go to the bottom right and find the sound icon. Right click on it and press sound settings. To go and scroll down and you want to go and find more sound settings and open it up. You go and get this pop up and you need to go and find recording. Find your microphone, and when you go and see it, you need to go and double click on it like this. Go to the top and you need to go and press levels. Try going and reducing the microphone boost, as that can go and pick up more background noise. And instead, what you can do is go and increase the microphone here more, or go and get closer to the mic to go and make it louder. Press apply and press OK, see if that's better. Next, what you want to do is go and press search, and this is if you use Realtek. So this is going to be your audio and sound driver. Not everyone will, but if you do, you can go and open it up. You want to come to the left and select your microphone, and you can go and select noise suppression, and that will go and reduce background noise like so. And you can also go and reduce the echo cancellation by selecting that as well. Go and see if that solves it. You can also go and change settings within apps. For example, Discord, you can go and press user settings in the bottom left, scroll down to voice and video. You can come to voice isolation, and that will go and let Discord cut through the noise, removing the background noise. If you found this useful, then leave a like.